Welcome to our latest renovation in a prestigious Midtown East neighborhood. This one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment received a total makeover with elevated finishes and a cohesive new sense of style. The beautiful foyer greets you with a polished porcelain floor tile. Our accent wall covering exhibits the client's old-school glam tile with its circular pattern, gold texture, and rich brown background. Ice blue paint completes the color palette of the design. We incorporated a wood floor pattern to create drama and grandeur and kept the existing chandelier as an ode to the original design. The living room was stripped of its old and outdated wallpaper and carpet. We painted the walls ice blue and replaced the floors with a beautiful espresso hardwood planks. New crown molding and baseboards revived the original aesthetic in a sophisticated and tangible way. We dropped the center of the ceiling with a recessed lighting grid to brighten and modernize the space. In the kitchen, we replaced the counters with a beautiful polished quartz with soft movement and blue tones. The blue glass mosaic backsplash completed the design by tying in one of our central colors. Polished nickel hardware was the final touch to upgrading the kitchen. In the primary bath, the clients wanted to add a little bit of glitz and glamour, with gorgeous tiles, including a white marble and brass quatrefoil mosaic on the vanity wall. We did a shower conversion here, which is always a popular choice. The shower accent walls sparkle with a vertically stacked deep brown glass tile. We refinished the existing vanity with an espresso brown lacquer paint, accented with a gold foil metallic paint. With new stone and new hardware, the vanity was transformed to match the luxury of the rest of the bathroom. Gold hardware and fixtures complete the space. That was our tour. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Start a new chapter with us.